What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Casetify Coca-Cola case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, I think this case already looks super duper cool because this particular version of it is called the Global Connection version. It basically has the Coca-Cola logo in a bunch of different languages all over it, and I'm definitely a big fan of Coca-Cola as well as just soda in general. I really do love soda. I actually have a Coke brand root beer, Barks root beer right here that I'm going to be drinking in this video just to show you guys how much I love soda. So yeah, I'm definitely pretty excited to get this case out of the box. If you want it for yourself, it'll set you back about $50, and yeah, without further ado, let's get this box open, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. On the front, as you can see right here, it has the Casetify logo. It also has a clear front as well, so you can see in and actually look at the case, as well as a sort of mock-up image of an iPhone in the case right there, so that's pretty cool. And folks, obviously down here we've also got the Coca-Cola logo, as well as Coca-Cola logo all over the back too if you flip it over. So yeah folks, over here it says real cute, real tough. Okay, that's a pretty interesting saying right there. So yeah, over here on this side says the same thing. So without further ado, let's open up this box. And before I do that, I'm actually going to crack open this root beer and start enjoying it in the spirit of the soda of this video. So, that's good. One more sip. And now let us open this box right here. We can just slide it open just like that. And just like that, folks, here is the case. So yeah, in here it says thank you, and it says hashtag Casetify at Casetify on social media. And yeah, we can just put this to the side. Let's see, is there anything else in the box? Nope, nope, nope. So let's take a closer look at this case, baby. So if we come over here to the back of the case, you'll notice this little, once again, image of an iPhone. We can just pop that out, this little thank you card right here, put it to the side, and here is just the case. So on the sides of the case, you'll notice it seems to be a translucent color, meaning you can sort of see through it, and it looks to me almost as if it's sort of pinkish. Maybe it's supposed to be red, but to me it looks sort of pinkish. And then on the back, obviously, we've got a bunch of those Coca-Cola logos in so many different languages surrounded by the color red. I definitely think, once again, folks, that this is a really cool design. At least that's my opinion. I love all these different languages, and yeah, I just think it's a really creative way to show that you like Coca-Cola. And yeah, right here around the camera bump on the back of the case, we can see that it says Casetify 2 times right there. And yeah, if we flip it over, we could see on the inside of the case, nothing really, just the color red, and that, once again, translucent pinkish color. Now on this side of the case right here, we've got the volume up button, volume down button, as well as a cutout right here for the mute switch. Over here on the bottom, we have 2 cutouts for the speaker grills, as well as 1 cutout for the lightning port. And last but not least, over here on this side of the case, we have a button for the side button right here. So yeah folks, now that we've seen this case nice up and close, let's put it on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So here's my iPhone right here in that beautiful midnight green color. Here's the case, and let's just pop the iPhone in just like that. And wow, that was easy. Now it is on my phone. And yeah folks, I will actually say this midnight green sort of darker color of my iPhone definitely complements the red of the case. It sort of provides a nice contrast, this darker camera right here, again, the colorfulness of the case. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool case right here. Man, Coca-Cola. Let's take another sip of this root beer. Oh yeah. And yeah, folks, now let's talk about my first impressions of how this case feels in the hand with the iPhone in it. Definitely feels more slippery around the edges. Once again, those translucent edges, but the back feels a little bit more textured, a little bit more grippy. So that's definitely a good thing. But yeah, it's still definitely a slim case on this iPhone. Definitely not too bulky. It does, however, provide a lip around the edge of the screen of the phone. So if you set the phone down, face down on a flat surface with the case on, theoretically the screen should not be touching the surface. So that's a good thing. And also it does have a raised area around the camera hump on the back. So also same thing, if you put the phone down on a flat surface on the back, theoretically that surface should not be touching the camera. So once again, another good thing. And yeah, folks, there's not really much more to say about this case right here in this nice, quick, easy unboxing video of it. Once again, this is the Casetify Coca-Cola Global Connection case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So definitely, guys, be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think of this case. I do read all the comments, by the way, because I just love hearing from you guys. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with this Casetify Coca-Cola case, baby. Ooh, and let me grab one final sip of root beer. Oh yeah.